just joined as an accountant in curated French and Company. I have enrolled in Ready Accountant with corporate accounting course. The live interaction with the faculty member is amazing. They do this listen and answer. The program quality is good, nice, proactive. Career over here is great. The quality of the program is good, and the faculty members are helpful, supportive, very nice and decent, amazing. According to my opinion, it is one of the best institute for cost accounting course in Kolkata. All the best wishes for the Ready Accounting student, and I'm grateful and thankful for all the support and help they did to me. Thank you very much, all the faculty members of the Ready Accountant. Thank you.